Hi everyone, today we'll be looking at some methods to solve simultaneous equations, in particular the substitution and elimination method. Firstly, to solve simultaneous equations by substitution, you first need to solve one of the equations for one of the variables. Next, you substitute it into the other equation and determine the final solutions. Furthermore, to solve simultaneous equations by elimination, you can take suitable multiples of the equation so that one variable is eliminated when the equations are added or subtracted. Let's now put this theory into two practice examples. So the first example we have here is solve the simultaneous equations of 3x minus 2y equals 29 and 4x plus y equals 24 by substitution. Firstly, we can solve the equation 4x plus y equals 24 for y. Rearranging, this gives us y equals to 24 minus 4x. Next, we can substitute this answer into our other equation for y. This will result in 3x minus 2 brackets, this is where the substitution is, 24 minus 4x equals to 29. Now we can solve for x. We get x equals to 7 once we solve this for x. Next, subbing back x equals to 7 into one of our given equations. For example, if we sub back into this equation here, then we get 3 multiplied by 7, which is the x value we just found, minus 2y equals 29, and solve it for y, we end up getting y equals to negative 4. Thus our final solution set is x equals to 7 and y equals to negative 4. In our second example here, we have the following question. Solve the simultaneous equations of 3x plus 2y equals to 6 and 5x plus 3y equals to 11 by elimination. Firstly, we can look to eliminate the x variable for this problem. Thus, for the first equation, 3x plus 2y equals to 6, we can multiply all terms by 5. And for the second equation, 5x plus 3y equals to 11, we can multiply all terms by 3. This results in the first equation to become 15x plus 10y equals to 30, and the second equation to become 15x plus 9y equals to 33. Next, we can recognize when we subtract our first equation by our second equation. So that's this equation on the left, subtracted by the equation on the right, which I've underlined above. The x variable will be eliminated. In this case, we'll be left with y equals to minus 3 once we simplify. Therefore, subbing back y equals to negative 3 into one of our given equations, such as this one right here, then we get 3x plus 2 brackets negative 3, which is the y value we've subbed in, equals to 6, and solving for x, we get x equals to 4. Thus, our final solution set in this case is x equals to 4 and y equals to negative 3. I hope you have gained more knowledge about the methods to solve simultaneous equations. Happy Easter. See you later.